Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Today I am going to share with you the model question papers of 3rd Sem BCom English. Okay, this is the total maximum marks of 70. So the section A, which is overall a grammar part, that is your grammar part is job skill. In that you will get 30 marks. So first is that you have to make a paper presentation on the topic of importance of parks in cities. Even it can be asked, let's adopt Ayurveda in daily life, or adopt yoga, anything can be asked, and based on that we have to make 5 slides. By that you will get easily 10 marks. Second, you have to write a letter to the police commissioner of Bengaluru city regarding reckless violation of traffic rules, irresponsibility in driving on the roads, and lack of civic sense during lockdown in your area. So you have to write about the lockdown as well, civic sense during lockdown. So this is a letter. In that you will be able to get 5 marks. And after that, imagine your friend is addicted to playing games. This is from your persuasion skill. This is presentation skill, letter writing skill. Now this one is from your persuasion skill. In that you have to write about the hazards of gaming. So your friend plays lots of games in his mobile phone, so that you have to persuade him with all these things about hazards and side effects, benefits of socialization, disadvantages of using phone for games alone, and how we can use it for our studies. And even you can write about carpooling, which is nowadays to save environment is the best way. So how to save time and fuel as well. So we have to write a persuasive paragraph appealing and persuading your friend to use the carpooling. So this one is from the social media skill. In that some of the questions will be asked, like what is social media? Mention 4 types of social media platform that are commonly used, and we have what are the benefits of social media in the recent time, what is blogging, posting insensitive comments on social media is considered rude, true or false. And this is from the 5th part of grammar, that is expanding of outline. We have got a developing hints. It is like similar to developing hints, only we need to expand this, we need to elaborate this into a big para. By that easily we will get 5. Okay, let's move on to the literature component. In that we'll get 40 marks. So here I want you all to go through with any of the 5 chapters, because from every chapter it may ask one questions. So this is 2 mark question, 5 we need to write. So it's better, man in asbestos, sweetness, inverse need, suppressed desire, and some quality of mercy. If you learn this one, you will be able to give this answer. And here we have to write any 2 of the following. So man in asbestos and inverse need is very important, but because anyhow if you go through, one poem is compulsory to write. So by that also we can get easily 10 marks. Now, so these all are the thing. From every chapter it has been asked. Okay, now let's 8th part, answer any one of the following in about 2 pages. So in this I would like to say that sweetness is very important. Easily you will be able to get 10 marks. Okay, after that answer any of the following in 2 pages. This is all 3 is asked from suppressed desire. In one we need to write, so easily will get 10 marks. So this is 3 of the 3 is asked from a play, suppressed desire. So it's very important. So if you go through with man in asbestos, inverse need, sweetness, suppressed desire, and only 1 mark or 2 mark for the quality of mercy, that will be sufficient for you to get good score in your semester. Along with grammar part, or I would suggest all the grammar to be go through nicely, so that to be prepared, so that to score maximum. Okay, that is it. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is helpful, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.